Hello everyone, it's your favorite healer, the Alchemist, and I'm here with a Reiki session. And this Reiki session is intended for content creators. The content creators that are tired. You're tired of creating and not seeing much feedback in return. Maybe you have low engagement. Maybe that engagement that you do have isn't turning into clients. Maybe you just feel like you're overperforming and your value isn't being seen. I see you. I am you. And this Reiki session is intended to clear out any comparison. Comparison is the thief of joy. This Reiki session is intended to help you feel like, let go of the need to overperform, and to help you clear out any burnout that you may feel. I know it's hard, but now is not the time to give up. To receive maximum benefits from this Reiki video, it is best that you find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed for the next maybe 15 minutes. And if you can't, that's okay too. But if you do find yourself a quiet space, you can either sit or lie down. And once you find yourself in a comfortable position, I ask that you close your eyes or lower your gaze and take 3 deep cleansing breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. The work that you do matters. And it's only a matter of time before you have a breakthrough. I also have a few affirmations that I like to repeat. And you can repeat them aloud or in your mind. Rest is productive. Rest is productive. My content is more than numbers, it's impact. And I don't care what it is that you do. I don't care if it's healing content. I don't care if you do lashes. I don't care if you do nails. I don't care what it is. I don't care if you just produce comedy. Laughing is medicine. Okay? My content is more than numbers, it's impact. My worth is not based on output. My worth is not based on output. When I rest, I realign. When I realign, I create magic. When I rest, I realign. When I realign, I create magic. Rest is productive. Rest is productive. My worth is not based on output. My worth is not based on output. My content is way more than numbers. It's impact. My content is way more than numbers. It's impact. When I rest, I realign. When I realign, I create magic. When I rest, I realign. When I realign, I create magic. And just sit with those affirmations for a moment. Clearing out any burnout and bringing back that creative spark. Instead of feeling like you constantly have to produce, Follow your intuition. Post whenever you feel that spark. Don't post out of obligation. And remember that even if you do have low engagement, it's about the impact that you're having. You had impact on at least one person, 2 people, 3 people, 5 people, 10 people. And another thing to think about too is that, social media makes us think that we have to have like 300 likes, 1,000 plus likes, and all these things, right? Imagine being in a room with 300 people. You would be like, I get it. I understand. You need the numbers, right? If you want to be monetized, you have to have a certain amount of followers, a certain amount of likes, all these things, watch hours. And know that if that's what you want, it's coming for you. Just don't give up. Just remember when it's time to rest. Drop the comparison. Because know that even if there's thousands of other people doing the same thing you're doing, no one is going to do it quite like you. Nobody is you. You could be in the same niche, using the same tools, but it's you that makes it special. It's you that makes it different. And as I close out this Reiki session, I'll send over some Reiki symbols, starting with Reiki's power symbol, Chokure. Chokure, Chokure, Chokure. Chokure, Chokure, Chokure. Chokure, Chokure, Chokure. Seiki, Reiki's mental emotional symbol to help you with any mental blocks, any feelings of defeat. Seiki, Seiki, Seiki. Seiki, Seiki, Seiki. Seiki, Seiki, Seiki. I'm sending you all so much love and light. Again, remember that I see you. The work you do is valuable. It's impactful. And soon the world will know. Happy healing.